Okay, we got fish on. Di's got fish on. I got the GoPro going, getting the lines in. Already jumped a couple times.
And what do I do?
Nothing, you're just fine. Just keep it tight. Just don't fight them yet. Just keep tension on the line until we get...
One and done.
Well, he ain't in yet, dear.
No, but I'm just
Don't get so cocky.
my chances right now.
Okay, I think I'll put the... Stand up. Stay there yet. Okay, belt's on. Okay, you're good. You're just fine now. You can start fighting them. We're not done. She's just playing with it right now. All right, bye. Keep them going that way. You're fine. You're fine. You're doing everything perfect. It was almost like you're a guide. Just keep him there. You got him. Nothing. You're doing fine. You're just fine. If he gets up around the motor, that's when we gotta be careful. Okay, move up, move up, move up, move up. I gotcha. I gotcha. I'm holding you here. Okay, you're fine. You're fine. You could have wore a belt. Oh, I can grab you here. You're doing fine, babe. You got him. Just let him tire himself out. You're doing just fine. No, no. 80 pounder, 100 pounder.
One and done.
One and done, huh, babe? One and done. I got you, so you're good. So sometimes you got to stick your head in the water, or not head, but you got to go down really low and put the whole reel in if he goes under the boat. But I'm going to try to keep him so he doesn't. How the guns?
Blazing.
And what's your favorite saying right now?
One and done.
One and done. Okay. And when he comes up, you kind of lean the pole at him. You did good. That was perfect. That was perfect.
Can we call it a day?
No, we can't. As soon as we do a leader touch, we can. There, he's ripping. All right, Di's got one on here. We're out about a mile west of Naps. It's jumped 4 or 5 times. We've got it on GoPro. We've had it within 5 feet of the boat. She's got to see the jumps. Her one and done statement, I think, will be over very soon here. Nice job. Nice job.
You want to take over?
No, we're not taking over. He's fine. Still taking line out. Come on, I did 8 of these yesterday. This is nothing. Bet you're glad you got your tennies on. Okay, what's he doing now? Lean. And now reach him around that motor. Go around. There you go. Nice job, honey. Keep the line tight. I got you. You're not falling in. I got you. Touch right here. Oh, okay. Taking a break. Smile at the camera. One and done.
Oh, baby, help me.
No, I'm not helping you. You're going to do it. We're doing just fine.
My back.
Smile for the camera. Okay, come on up, come on up, come on up. I got the belt. I got the belt. Nice job. Okay, we've got him right at the boat. He's right there. There's Di's first tarpon. There's Di's first tarpon. Smile one and done. I got video now.
Done.
Done, she says. All right, you can come sit down. Come on. couple leader touches. Pull him in hard. I'm going to grab that leader this time. Come on, muscle him, damn it. Muscle him. Okay, we got leader.
How am I doing?
Okay, let it. Holy shit. He's not ready. He had a hold of the leader. Well, we're official. It's good. You're doing just great. Gotcha. I got you. Go down. Okay, go up and around the other end. I gotcha. Try to pull him up right here. Just keep trying. Keep trying. He should be getting tired. There you go. Come on, muscles. Come on, baby. There's leader. There's leader. Come on, baby. Bring him to me. Bring him to me. Nothing. I got him. Okay. It's all right. We got him. Hey. Nice fish.